Commercial airplane. A commercial airplane is used to carry passengers and cargo over long distances. These aircraft are operated by airlines and are designed for efficiency, safety, and comfort. Over time, they have become the backbone of global travel, connecting cities and countries across the world. Large seating capacity and advanced navigation systems make them suitable for regular air transport. Private jet. A private jet is designed for personal or business travel with a smaller number of passengers. These aircraft offer flexibility in scheduling and often provide a more comfortable and private flying experience. They became popular among business executives and high-income individuals who need fast and direct travel. Their size allows access to smaller airports that commercial planes cannot use. Cargo airplane. A cargo airplane is built specifically to transport goods instead of passengers. These planes have large storage areas and strong floors to handle heavy loads. As global trade expanded, cargo aircraft became essential for moving products quickly across long distances. Their design focuses on efficiency and the ability to carry different types of freight. Fighter jet. A fighter jet is a military aircraft designed for speed, agility, and combat. These planes are equipped with advanced technology for defense and attack missions. They developed rapidly during the 20th century as air combat became an important part of warfare. Their powerful engines and aerodynamic design allow them to operate at very high speeds. Propeller airplane. A propeller airplane uses rotating blades to generate thrust instead of jet engines. This type of aircraft was common in the early days of aviation and is still used for short-distance travel and training. They are generally smaller, more fuel-efficient, and suitable for regional flights. Their simpler design makes them useful in areas where large jets are not practical.